So welcome back everybody into another New York session recap. As you can see here, we are watching at EurUsd, and today was a little bit of an interesting day where the jobless claims at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, and tomorrow we're going to have the NFP. So it was a sort of in-between day where the market were moving, but not that much. So let's just have a look at the technical price points. As you can see over here, at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, we had a little bit of a increase in volume, and that's when around 5 minutes later, 4 or 5 minutes later, we got the break below of these PSAs, of these last lows, and that's where I entered. Basically the best, probably the best price point that I could have got. Only 1 pip of drawdown, and then the price went into a 5 pips TP. It would have gone, I think, into a 10 even, yeah. It would have gone into a 10 pip scalp win, but I took it out at 5 because I was risking just 1 pip after that, after really a few minutes, and 5 pips is still a very, very profitable risk to reward ratio. It's a little bit more affecting the percentage of the commission, is more affecting the overall percentage of gain, yes, but let's just experiment that. Then we can see that I didn't take any further trade, but this I watched the trade setups very closely. We would have got, of course, if I didn't take this trade out, I would have not got this possible loss, but just the setup would have given a loss over here. Then price is breaking above, retesting these same order block lows. If you remember, this is the always the same thing that I was talking about with you. Price is making a double bottom. Okay, yeah, that's the double bottom. And when it breaks above and it retests, then there's a high chance that it will continue up if it's retesting it exactly on the dot. So if the retest is actually very good, it's actually exactly, you can take advantage of it. And this one would have been a very nice setup, even for a single like 7, 8 pips, 6, 7 pip scalp, or even less. Even if it was the same thing, like a 5 pips, would have been a win, giving you the opportunity then to re-enter at the retest of these highs for another 5 pip win again. Then you would have got a breakout above these highs, but that would be a fail setup. Failure to break above, so no entry. And then we can see the reversal for another 5 pips TP if we're just aiming for that amount. Same thing, then the price is moving up. Price is giving us some opportunities. We could also see that this move is a retest of these last highs. This one was pretty close. I mean, this one would have been also a nice setup. But yeah, what I saw was actually that, okay, we are breaking below these lows. This is a very high risk, high reward entry, as I would say, but we are breaking below this last higher low, retesting it on the dot for a possible continuation down. But you have the confirmation over here, that's later on, but breaking and retesting this area. Then after the 10 AM candle, we are seeing that the price is failing to make new highs. We are retesting this last neckline and last higher low. As you can see, you have like 3-4 candles that give you the opportunity to enter. This is basically a 10 pip scalp, but anyway, selling into over here would be like a 8 pip win. Now, same thing, price now is moving a little, almost 5 pips, but then it retraces. By that time, you would have obviously adjusted your stop loss to fit to be just below this the pivot low of the entry. This one is marked up in red, so you get stopped out for a small loss, but then you will see that you will have a breakout and retest on the next candles, and that's more than 5 pips. Then not really looking for any other setup. After that, we're already after London close. You can see over here, same thing, we're making a double bottom. Even over here, as you can see, the same theory applies that I was talking about. I mean, you can see it everywhere. You can see this theory over here You can see it applied over here. Price is breaking and retesting this area. Price is breaking and retesting this area. Double bottom, double bottom, double bottom for possible reversal. Let's take advantage of a price that is overall on the high time frame ranging, but still on the lower time frame give you way enough chances of taking scalps. And yeah, that's also a very good thing to notice. And yeah, I don't want, I'm really not looking into gold. Price action was not optimal. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. This was the New York recap, and see you tomorrow.